Next problem is find the number of non-empty subset S of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 such that no two consecutive integers belongs to capital S, and if capital S contains k elements, then capital S contains no number less than k. Now solution. So first is total number of single element subset S, and element of S should be greater than or equals to 1, so that we can select what 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So out of 12 numbers we have to select one number, that is 12C one way, that is 12 set. Next is total number of two element subset S, and given is S contains k element, then S contains no number less than k. So in the set S, 1 cannot be taken. So we have 11 number. Now out of 11 number, 2 number are selected in such a way that no two consecutive integers belongs to S. So this we can do. There are 11 numbers on number line 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. So two numbers are selected, suppose A and B. These two numbers divide the number line into three parts. One is x1, x2 and x3. These two numbers should not be consecutive. That means we can say between these two numbers at least one number should exist. So we can say x2 minimum should be 1. So x2 always greater than equals to 1. Before A and after B we can put any number. So x1 value can be anything. So this will be greater than equals to 0. Similarly x3 will also greater than equals to 0. So from here we will get x1 plus x2 plus x3 equals to 11 minus 2. That will come 9. Where x1 is greater than equals to 0, x2 is greater than equals to 1, x3 is greater than equals to 0. If I put x2 minus 1 equals to x2 dash, where x2 equals to x2 dash plus 1. Now if I put x2 value, we'll get x1 plus x2 dash plus 1 plus x3 equals to 9. This will come out x1 plus x2 dash plus x3 equals to 8, where x1 is greater than equals to 0, x2 dash is greater than equals to 0, x3 is greater than equals to 0. So solution of this equation is what? 8 plus 3 minus 1 C 3 minus 1. That will come 10C 2. Next is total number of 3 element subset of S. So we can say element of S should not be less than 3. So we can say 1 and 2 cannot be taken. So we have to select 3 elements out of 10 elements in such a way no two are consecutive. So this we can do. We have 10 elements in number lines 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So 3 elements are selected. Suppose A, B and C are selected. Now these 3 elements divide the number line into 4 parts: x1, x2, x3 and x4. we know ABC should not be consecutive. That means between A and B there must be one number. That means x2 should be greater than equals to 1. Similarly, between B and C there must be one number. So x3 should be greater than equals to 1. x4 and x1 can be anything. So x1 should be greater than equals to 0. x4 should be greater than equals to 0. So we can say x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4 should be equals to 10 minus 3. That will come 7. Where x1 is greater than equals to 0, x2 is greater than equals to 1, x3 is greater than equals to 1, x4 is greater than equals to 0. Now if I write x2 minus 1 equals to x2 dash. So from here x2 equals to what will come? 1 plus x2 dash. Similarly x3 minus 1 equals to x3 dash. So x3 will come what? 1 plus x3 dash. Now if I put x2 and x3 value, we'll get x1 plus x2 dash plus 1 plus x3 dash plus 1 plus x4 equals to 7. So this will come x1 plus x2 dash plus x3 dash plus x4 equals to 7 minus 2, that is 5. Where x1 is greater than equals to 0, x2 dash is greater than equals to 0, x3 dash is greater than equals to 0, x4 is greater than equals to 0. So solution of this equation is what? 5 plus 4 minus 1, c 4 minus 1. So this will equals to 8c 3. Next is total number of 4 element subset. So in this one, element should not be less than 4. That means 1, 2, 3 cannot be taken. So we have to select 4 numbers out of 9 numbers in such a way no 2 numbers are consecutive. So this we can do by drawing number line. On the number line there are 9 numbers: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Out of 9 numbers we have to select 4 numbers. Suppose we are selecting A, B, C and D. So these 4 numbers divide the number line into 4 parts: x1, x2, x3, x4 and x5. These 4 numbers should not be consecutive. That means between 2 numbers at least one number should be there. That means x2 should be greater than equals to 1. Similarly x3 also greater than equals to 1 and similarly x4 also greater than equals to 1. x5 can be anything. So x5 should be greater than equals to 0 and similarly x1 can be anything. x1 must be greater than equals to 0. We can say x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4 plus x5 should be equals to 9 minus 4, that is 5, where x1 is greater than equals to 0, x2 is greater than equals to 1, x3 is greater than equals to 1, x4 is greater than equals to 1, x5 is greater than equals to 0. So if I assume x2 minus 1 equals to x2 dash, so x2 will come out 1 plus x2 dash. Similarly x3 minus 1 equals to x3 dash, so x3 will come out 1 plus x3 dash. x4 minus 1 equals to x4 dash, so x4 will come out 1 plus x4 dash. If you put x2, x3, x4 values, we will get x1 plus x2 dash plus 1 plus x3 dash plus 1 plus x4 dash plus 1 plus x5 equals to 5. So from here we will get x1 plus x2 dash plus x3 dash plus x4 dash plus x5 equals to 5 minus 3, that will come 2. Where x1 is greater than equals to 0, x2 dash is greater than equals to 0, x3 dash is greater than equals to 0, x4 dash is greater than equals to 0, x5 is greater than equals to 0. So solution of this equation is what? 2 plus 5 minus 1, c 5 minus 1. So this becomes 6c 4. Next is total number of 5 element subset. So element should not be less than 5. That means what? 1, 2, 3, 4 cannot be taken. That means out of 8 elements we have to select 5 elements in such a way that no two elements are consecutive. So we have 8 numbers 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So out of 8 numbers we have to select 5 numbers such that no two numbers are consecutive. So this case is not possible. Suppose we are selecting 5 consecutive. Suppose 5, 7, 9 and 11. These 4 numbers are consecutive. Now if I select fifth number, suppose we are selecting 6, then 5, 6, 7 is what? Consecutive. If I select 8, then 7, 8, 9 are consecutive. And similarly if I select 10, then 9, 10 and 11 are consecutive. If I select 12, then 11 and 12 are consecutive. That means this case is not possible. So total set is single element is what? 12 plus 2 element is 10c2 plus 3 element is what? 8c3 plus 4 element is what? 6c4. So if I add 12 plus 10 into 9 divided by 2 plus 8 into 7 into 6 divided by 3 into 2 plus 6 into 5 divided by 2 into 1. So this is what? 10 divided by 2 is what? 5. So 12 plus 9 into 5 is what? 45 plus 6 getting cancelled. 8 into 7 is what? 56 plus 6 divided by 2 is 3. 5 into 3 is what? 15. So this is what? 12 plus 45 plus 56 plus 15 is 128. This is your answer.